I used to be just slowly fades away. Every word I try to speak feels like a lie I've told before. Just an open wound still bleeding now, running to the core. I'm a living contradiction, a perfect and shattered mess, searching for the pieces in this unforgiving wilderness. I tasted every poison, embraced every single sin, and now the final curtain falls on the end of what has been. This is the last light, fading to black and then to rust, a final screaming to the dust, for all the things I couldn't trust. Fuck your closure, fuck your hope, fuck the tears that help you cope. This is the suicide of a heart that couldn't grow. This is the end of everything that I would ever know. The mirrors in my mind are cracked, reflecting jagged ends, a mosaic of betrayal from all my so-called friends. Slow with this loneliness, like a crown of rusted steel, a king of my own broken land when nothing's ever real. I'm the stain that won't come out, the stain that you all made, a masterpiece of misery, a promise I betrayed. You gave me a life of silence, a heart of shattered stone, and now I'm here to show you all the monster I've become. This is the last light, fading to black and then to rust, a final screaming to the dust, for all the things I couldn't trust. Fuck your closure, fuck your hope, fuck the tears that help you cope. This is the suicide of a heart that couldn't grow. This is the end of everything that I would ever know. The path behind me is on fire, the future is a tomb, just a hollow echo screaming in this silent, lonely room. I said all that I needed, done all that I could. Now I'll just stand and watch as the world unloved is misunder I've become. Is misunder all they love, best misunderstood.